What's going on, guys? CardMechanic here, and due to popular demand, we're back with episode 3 of the Learn With Me series. Let's do it. So I was going through a bunch of cardistry tutorials that I was really keen about learning, and I found this one, Lava Cardistry Tutorial by Brian I Am, and it just seemed so cool that I really wanted to learn it. So I thought, why not put this on the Learn With Me, and we could all learn together. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright guys, so grab your decks and let's get started with this tutorial right here. I like that intro. Okay.
So thank you for stopping by.
And now we're actually gonna get into the
Lava.
tutorial.
It's a cut inspired by Nikhilesh Missile. So yeah, as you can see, they have very similar motion, and
Okay.
I like Missile a lot, and so maybe therefore I just came up with an idea like Lava. So yeah, that's how it happened.
That's how it happened.
So, alright, without further ado, let's learn Lava.
That I can do.
So
Look at that.
Lava, you wanna
Pro.
hold that in this grip. I don't know its name, I forgot.
Okay. Start off this grip with the middle finger on top, thumb on bottom. This finger
Then
curled
you
right
wanna
here.
place your left index here.
The left index next to our thumb here.
There.
Okay, and we're just breaking off a small packet of cards. Boom.
You're gonna do something similar with your right index.
This one's gonna break off like this.
So you will get into a position. Like
Okay,
this.
I'm used to getting into this grip. I usually don't do it this way. I usually just start off and get right here.
You're gonna place your
But okay, I get it.
thumb here,
The thumb is gonna go on the bottom, gripping these two.
the top and bottom packet,
Okay,
but not the middle.
makes sense.
Because what you want to do next is you're gonna use your ring finger.
So ring finger is gonna take
Bring this packet.
this
around.
packet. Yep. So ring finger is gonna take this packet, the middle packet here, and we're gonna bring it
But
around.
at the same time, as you are bringing this packet to here,
Okay.
you wanna.
What do you want to do?
Middle finger here,
Okay.
and
So okay.
really
So okay, let's pause real quick. So we're here, right? We start off, we break, man. All right, so we start off right here. Now we take the middle packet, we switch from our middle finger to our ring finger, and now we're gonna take our middle finger, put it on top of this packet, and so it's gonna be like this. So we have that ring finger on top of that middle packet, we have the middle finger on top of the top packet, and we still have the index finger on the bottom, and we have the thumb down here. So that must make sense to me.
your index.
Okay. Now we roll this out
And as you are swinging this packet
and we swing
to
it
this
out
position, you wanna curl
like
your
this.
index finger to
Curl this in. My God, this
sure
is
there's enough space to let this packet go around.
this is not easy.
Then
This is gonna get annoying.
you're gonna bring up your left hand
Okay.
and use your pinky.
Oh boy. So we're gonna grip this packet right here with our pinky. Oh,
Place it here.
I feel like ready to drop cards.
Roll this packet into your left hand, forming a scissor cut position.
Okay. Okay.
But at
So
the
like
same
that.
time, as you're rolling this down, you want to use your index finger to pinch the top cup of this packet.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's take a step back real quick. All right, so we're here. We break this apart. We come here we put this down here, and then we bring our pinky like this, and we use this finger here to pull this apart like this, something like this, and we have this going on. All right, I gotta, yeah, something along these lines. Oh wait, actually, I think it's like this. Yeah, we got this packet here. You can probably see on screen. We got this packet here on the bottom. He has that center packet between his index finger and thumb. And then we got this packet between our thumb and middle finger. And then we have this one card here like this. I'm making pretty good progress. This is the first time in any Learn With Me that I've made okay progress. Let's continue.
And you want to drop this packet.
Wait, what? Drop what packet?
Another packet in your left hand.
Okay.
So,
Okay. Okay, let's get back there again. So we're here, like this, like this. We're here, we grip this one card, like this. We come here, we do the scissor cut, which I have to say I'm pretty good with the scissor cut, but like, how do I do it here? Like, I feel so stretched out. Bam, scissor cut happened. And this cartridge is, yep. There we go. And bam. This looks like it's it. This looks like the position he's in, kind of, right? I think. Something like that. Maybe, possibly. Who really knows? Okay, what, oh jeez. Let's see what goes on from there.
next you're gonna rotate this packet into your left hand as well.
How do you do that? Okay, I need to get back. I need to get back. So, oh man, I forgot. We're here, here, here. Switch this up. Like this, we grip onto a card like this while we turn this over like this. So this is here. We do a scissor cut. Okay. What happened? Oh man. I need to go back. I need to go back. How do I go back? Maybe this is it. Who knows?
Okay. Into your left hand as well.
Okay. So this is where we are. How are the...
So maybe this packet is gonna came across with this base packet. It's
My God.
hard to rotate it back into your left hand. So
How
you
is-
want to use your right hand.
Oh my God.
Tilt it in this direction.
What's going on?
So it will be easier for you to
Okay.
place
Okay.
it into the base packet.
Okay. 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 We just drop it in
And
here.
at the same time, this single card, once you rotate the packet into your left hand,
Okay.
you want to
Push this through.
hold it with your
Right.
left thumb, or right thumb, and kind of grip it. Grip this card between this packet and your thumb, and you want to push it out
Okay.
like so. Once you push this card out,
I feel pretty cool doing that. Bam. Magic.
wrap
Oh,
it around
magic.
your left thumb
Okay, rotate it around.
and place it here.
Wait.
Then
Wait, hold on.
once this
What just happened?
is paired, drag it around your left thumb and
Oh, so, okay. Okay. So I was being confused because he put this through. I thought he's still gripping this packet like this here. But it turns out while he's pushing this through, he's actually turning this packet as well. So this way he's bringing this packet up here. So then this card could be turned onto this bottom packet that was there.
then once this card is placed underneath this packet,
Okay.
you want to grip the whole packet,
Okay.
drag it around your left thumb
Okay.
another direction,
Okay.
and hold it like this, and just once you drag it around to somewhere around here,
So
then you just throw the left hand packet into your right hand, and
is that it?
that's the whole move.
That doesn't seem that bad at all. Alright, here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna need to take a quick break because my camera battery is about to die. But right after the battery's back, we're gonna get into actually practicing this move right here. So let's take a quick break. Alright, so I just went for a walk and came back while the battery was charging. So I think we're all set to go now. So let me recall. So we start off by doing like this. Get that middle finger there. We bring this around, put it up against the side like this, and oh no, I skipped a step. Okay, never mind. So you do this, you put your middle finger on top of this packet. I forgot that step. You do this, bam, put this on the pinky, grab with this index finger here, make that come out, roll this over, bam, do the scissor cut with this packet there, something like that. This comes down here like this, like this. Oh my god, Jesus, these cards are moving too much. Oh, there we go. Yep, fantastic. Like this, grab this over, turn this. Why is this getting harder? This should not be getting harder. Okay, we're here. Now this, I feel like the scissor cut is actually really hard to do in this. Oh, yep, forget that card. I don't even need it. So we're here. Bring this down like this. Bring this around. Through. What happens here? Right around and through. Turn this over and up like this. Like this. Right? It was like, how is it? It's like this. Turn that around. Square that up back here. Oh god. Okay, card's falling. Rotate it out. No, we're here. Like this, and then we close, something like that. May have to rewatch the video. Okay, so it's here. So from this position, you turn the packet around. Oh gosh, you hold it here, and you close it up.
Once you drag it around.
So you okay.
Somewhere around here.
We figured this out. We got it. Here we go. All right. We start off. Boom. Switch this finger. Turn this around. Grab it on this pinky here. We pull this card out. While we pull this card out, we let this packet turn. Bam. Now we go for that scissor cut. Oh my god. That turn. Somewhat of a scissor cut. Square this up right here, bring it down here, put that down there, put that through, okay, put it through, spin it around, square it up with the packet back here, grip this packet, bring it around like this, and then close. Okay, this is actually not too difficult to do. It looked a lot harder in video. But I think with a little practice, we'll get it down in no time. So let's just go through a bunch of practice runs. Here we go. Through, oh god. Yep. Okay, so the beginning part's actually quite easy. There's nothing crazy that goes on here. Like, I can do up to here completely fine. And this part's a little tricky, getting that to spin over there. So, my God. Spin over there. I think the scissor cut probably the hardest part here. Boom, once you get that scissor cut down, then you get that there. We spin it around this pinky. Oh God, spin around this pinky, put it there, put this card through, turn it over this, bring it in through the back, even it up with this deck back here, pull this deck out, do this, and we close. Let's try it again. Okay, here we go. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Bam. Okay, that wasn't the most successful thing, but it was okay. Grip. Oh, this grip is not happening. Grip is definitely not. Oh, there we go. So honestly, this is not too difficult to do. I think with enough practice, this will actually be quite easy to get down. And I kind of like the way it looks too. Not that I can actually see it on camera right now because I have to look at these cards very, very careful. Oh, there we go. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Oh boy. See, when one thing starts falling apart, it all starts falling apart. That's it. That's all there is to it. Bam, look at that. Oh, nope. Bam, look at that. Oh, nope. Bam, look at that. Jesus Christ, okay. Bam. Boom. There we go. Look at that. Look at that. Something like that. Here we go. I feel I have to hold my breath for some of these parts just to hopefully see it'll turn out fine. Boom, bam, and boom. Oh my God, I have to say, I love the end results of learning a cardistry, what do you call it, routine, move, whatever it's called. But my God, like learning it takes like 20 years. Oh, there we go. So yeah, here's the game plan. I'm going to continue learning. You guys also continue learning. And yep, there we go. You guys also continue learning. And my God. And let's see if you could beat me with my learning process, because the day I'm done learning, I will post it on my Instagram and you guys will know. I'll share the link with you, everyone. And I feel like I don't really have to share the link, just follow me on there. That'll probably make it easier on me. But yeah, I think this is a great cardistry move that everyone should definitely learn. Something like that. Bam. Oh man. So keep practicing and we'll see who gets it down first. And that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Let me know in the comments what other cardistry moves you'd love to see in future Learn With Me series. So that being said, make sure to go check out my Patreon page to help support my channel. Link to that in the description along with all my social media. So make sure to check that out. All that being said, I will see you in the next video.